Hi guys! In this look, I'm doing a tutorial using the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics as promised. I believe I uploaded my review already. I'll have it linked on screen for you, as well as linked in the description box, and I don't think I'm going to have it linked at the end of the video. So if you miss it now and you just want to watch this look, you can check the information box and then it'll be linked down there. I should also have up some blue blood looks. If they're already up, I'll have those linked for you as well. I'm not sure what order I'm going to upload them in. I never am. I need to start planning it out. But anyway, I decided to do a cut crease look this time around just to experiment with some of the pretty pastels that I really liked in my review. But yeah, for the look, just keep watching. Taking some Too Faced Shadow Insurance for my primer. Today I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I did promise y'all a couple of looks from here. I'm going to stick to mattes. That's kind of what I want to do. I'm going to stick to these four colors here. This one, that one, that one, and that one. Those are the four main colors I'm going to use. Of course, I'm going to use something totally different for brown highlight. I'm going to start off with Gumdrop, which is the matte lavender looking color here. I'm applying that in my crease. This is just a Coastal Scents brush. It's a tapered contour brush. I'm going directly into the crease. And you see how intense that is with just one swipe of color. And then I'm just going to blend it up and out. Okay, so the trick is to add a little more to the brush to get it blended. For the lid colors, I'm taking my P. Louise base. This is Rumor 0. It's just a nude. It's pretty much white, honestly. Yeah, I'm putting this on my lid first for more intense application of color. I just have this stiff flat brush, and I'm gonna carve out my crease. Do the same to the other side. And of course, one of my sides is different, so I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lid colors down. I really want to use that pink too, I see, but I'm not going to do too much. I'm going to take Brain Freeze, which is that sky blue. I don't want to look up too much because I don't want it to mess up this color here. I'm taking a flat brush. I'm applying this directly into the middle. And I'm very carefully going around the edge. On the inside, I'm going to take the F word, which is that coral. This one here. For the inside, I'm taking a smaller flat brush. This is a MAC 242. I'm going in with that color I told you. The F word. I'm just packing that on. And kind of merging it with the blue. But I'm merging it by packing it. I'm not swiping it at all. And when you do that, it's kind of going to make a nice purple color. You want to do that on both sides. You want to cover up that base so you don't see any white. For the outer V, I'm going to take Cute, which is that nice aqua color. It's matte as well. I'm going to pack that on as well. I'm using another flat brush. And then do the same to the other side. And again, make sure there's no white. Use the very tip of the brush and kind of go around that. And that blue and green actually blended pretty well together. And you can kind of bring the coral over. I'm actually going to go halfway across. I'm going to use, hold on, I think I'm going to use Cone. This one. But I might take some of the shimmery one, which is called Snack. Just a little bit. This one here at the highest point of my arch, just to add a little shine to it. And it's a little darker than I wanted, so I might mix it with a lighter highlight. I'm gonna take a little bit of Virgin, which is that white in the palette here, just to lighten up the highlight. And when you mix them, it makes it a lot less intense. I'm gonna take the brush I used for the purple on the crease again and just make sure those blend well together. I didn't add any extra color, but feel free to add some if you need it. I'm gonna take some of that snack color I showed you and just go in the middle. That does add a nice hint of vibrancy. I'm gonna take a little bit in the inside as well, here. I'm trying not to touch that coral though. I'm just gonna go in the inside of that purple that I cut my crease with. I'm gonna take a little black. I'm applying a lot in my waterline. This is Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Crayon in black. I'm applying a lot in my waterline, but on the bottom I'm gonna kind of be light-handed with it because I'm gonna smudge it out with something else. I just want something to provide a base for the color I'm putting on top. And then the color I'm putting on top is called Delicious. It's a navy, a dark navy. This color here is actually like a blueberry color. Like if you smash blueberries, I think I said that in my review video. I'll have linked on screen here and also below. But it's like if you smash blueberries, the color that would make. I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. Okay, for the inside, I'm taking Soaked. This is matte royal blue here. Inside of the bottom. I think this is one of those colors that aren't as safe, but I'm gonna be really careful with it. You can't really tell it's royal blue anyway. It just helps brighten it up at the bottom so it's not so dark. I'm gonna take the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. I use this so much. Y'all don't even, well, y'all know because y'all seen all the videos with it. I normally go crazy on cut creases with wings, so that's why I'm continuing. Gonna apply some concealer, ColourPop Dark 40, no filter concealer. Blending that out. This is just a Morphe S3. It's a foundation brush, but I like it for concealing because it's really stiff and it gets around those edges. See how it kind of carves everything out? I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals Made to Fit Fresh Face Liquid Foundation. As you all know, this is custom, so I can't give you a color. You just download the app, scan your face, and it provides you your perfect match. So there's probably thousands of colors that could possibly be made. So I'm just applying this with the Bare Minerals Heavenly Face brush. Take a little more around the mouth. I need more coverage there. After a couple more times, probably after I finish filming my other two videos, I'm gonna throw this away because it's starting to get all, you know, lashes. I have some magnetic eyelashes from Allure. I'm gonna do a review on them soon. I don't really use them for the magnetic aspect. I still use glue. Just because I don't like the whole magnetic thing. They come off too easily. And I like to feel like my lashes are secure. And if I go in, you know, Chicago windy weather, they're not gonna blow off. Even though they say they won't, I don't know. It makes me weird. It makes me feel weird. I found some old Duo. I'm gonna use that. Because I don't want to open a new container and I know that lash glue is in here somewhere. But yeah, basically just go over the magnets because like I said, I'm not a fan of magnetic mascara. I mean, if you want to just listen to that instead of watching my review on these lashes, that pretty much tells you what you need to know about them. As far as my opinion, some people love them, but I prefer to take the time and glue them on. I'm just used to the old school way, you know? And sometimes with certain things, you know, you prefer the old school way. You don't want change. That's me. Especially if I don't think it's better than the old way. Now, if it's better, more convenient, yeah. Not just convenient, better. That's my rant about magnetic lashes. Let that sit a while because these are magnetic. They have a thicker band, so it takes a little more effort to glue them on with the magnet still on them, but it's not impossible. It just takes a little more patience. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna let these chill a little longer before I try to do the whole glue covering thing. So I'm gonna do highlighter and blush. This is the MAC Superb Extra Dimension Skin Finish. I'm using a MAC 138. And then blush. I'm taking the 3 Concept Eyes, number 410. I wish I could read Korean language, but I cannot. I'm sure this has an actual name to the color, but I can't read it. But 3 Concept Eyes is such a great brand. I love it. And this color goes perfectly with the look since I have coral on my eyes. I'm going a little heavier just because it'll show up better in photography. All the Jeffree Star lip colors I have are absolutely crazy. I'm trying not to do that because my eyes are already crazy. Not that that usually matters to me. By the way, those Allure lashes were the faux mink wispy. Just found the packaging. But the actual lashes are great. It's just the fact I don't like the magnetic part. So I'm gonna go nude. I'm going to use the Revlon Super Lustrous Matte Lipstick in Untold Stories. It's a nice, beautiful nude. I have a ton of these. I need to do lip swatches because I really like them. Nope. I need to exfoliate my lips. It's still not all the way exfoliated, but it's not too late. I just freak out with light colors because I never know. I do know, but it just, ugh. I guess the problem with nude lips is that I'm so used to color to where when I wear nude, it's like, ooh, that's too light. But I don't think it is. I have completed the look, or my look, using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. Colors applied really nicely. They work very well with the P. Louise base. Finally, first I was thinking I didn't know how to use the base, or you know, I just didn't know how to do a cut crease, but this look came out great. Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadows definitely work with that base. The cut crease really came out nice. Hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Rate the video, subscribe if you haven't, click the bell to the right of the subscribe button just so you don't miss anything I post, and talk to all of you in my next one. Thank you for watching.